Listen closely, because when it comes to AI, you've got two choices. You can leverage it, or you can get left behind. But here's the catch. Every week there's a new AI tool being hyped as the next big thing. Truth is, most of them? They're fun to play with, but won't actually change your life. So how do you separate the noise from the gold? Simple. The best AI tools should either make you money or save you time. They should streamline your workflow, not make it more complicated. And in this video, I'll walk you through 7 game-changing AI tools that actually do that. 1. 10 Web and Durable. Let's start with websites. Back in the day, building a website meant coding from scratch. It took weeks, maybe months, and easily cost thousands of dollars. Then came WordPress, Wix, and Shopify, and that helped. But even now, building a solid website still takes time and effort. Enter 10 Web and Durable. These AI-powered site builders can create an entire professional website, design, layout, images, copy, in minutes. You just enter some basic info, and boom, AI does the rest. You can even regenerate and customize it until it's exactly how you want it. Want to turn this into a business? Plenty of freelancers still charge hundreds for basic websites. With these tools, you can do the same work faster, and honestly, better. 2. Opus Clip. Short-form content is king right now. But editing long videos into bite-sized viral clips? That's time-consuming, but that's not realistic for everyone. That's why Opus Clip is a lifesaver. One click, and it automatically pulls the most engaging parts from your video, hooks, highlights, punchy moments, and turns them into scroll-stopping clips. So whether you're a creator or want to start a short-form content agency, Opus can save you tons of time and help you go viral. 3. ChatGPT Writer Extension. Let's talk email. Sure, ChatGPT can help you write responses, but switching tabs, copying prompts, pasting replies, it gets tedious. ChatGPT Writer is a Chrome extension that eliminates all that friction. It integrates directly into your inbox and generates full replies instantly. It's a small tool, but an absolute time saver, especially if you handle a high volume of emails. 4. Tidio AI, Luro. Customer support is a necessary evil, unless AI handles it for you. Tidio's AI assistant, Luro, can answer 70% of customer questions, instantly. No more long FAQ pages, no overwhelmed support staff. It understands your product data, gives instant answers, and if something's too complex, it hands off to a human agent. And for your team, it turns rough drafts into polished replies that match your brand tone. The result? Faster support, happier customers, and higher conversions. 5. DocuAsk. Ever had to read a 30-page contract, school reading, or technical brief? DocuAsk makes that pain disappear. Just upload the document, and ask it anything, like a chatbot trained on the file. Unlike plain summaries, it lets you search for specific details without missing context. Perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to extract info fast. 6. Microsoft Copilot. Now this one's next level. Microsoft Copilot works seamlessly across Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, everything in the Microsoft ecosystem. It can analyze spreadsheets, summarize meetings, prep reports, even build entire presentations, all using your previous work, calendar, and branding guidelines. It's like having an executive assistant inside your apps. 7. Adobe Firefly. This isn't just about saving time. It's about doing what was once impossible. Firefly lets you create images from text descriptions, use generative fill to add, remove anything in a photo, turn rough sketches into realistic visuals. It's like having a full creative team, designers, editors, photographers, packed into one AI. Perfect for creators, marketers, entrepreneurs, anyone who needs stunning visuals without the big budget. The AI revolution is real. But like every tech boom, there's hype, and then there's what actually works. These 7 tools aren't gimmicks. They save time, they boost productivity, and yes, they can help you make serious money. Now it's your move. Try them, test them, build with them, and as always, I'll be watching from afar, rooting for you to win. Don't forget to subscribe to catch up on any future videos.